Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with TanishaRN, and today I am unboxing the July subscription box from 8Lotus, and it is all part of the YouTube collab group, which the theme this month is social media. And let me just tell you, like a lot of people in this community, social media is an enabler, and I credit social media, in particular Instagram, for me signing up for this subscription box, which I have been a proud subscriber since September last year. I tell you, when it first debuted, it has come a long way. It has come a long way since the initial box. So it's always exciting to get this box because I never know what's inside. If it's your first time joining, thank you so much. I appreciate you stopping by, and hope that you enjoy this and will continue subscribing. Definitely hit that like button for me and commenting on how you feel or your thoughts about this box. If you're returning, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now, the way this YouTube collab group works is that creatively Lisa Marie organized it. Big shout out to her for that. And she got a group of content creators. If you're interested in joining the loop, you definitely want to reach out to her. She's creatively Lisa Marie on all the social media platforms. So reach out to her. I'm sure she would love for you to join it. But she gives us a theme, and everyone interprets the theme differently. So if you look in the description box, you will find the link to the next channel, and they will have an interpretation of the theme social media. And you will continue on with the loop until you end up where you started. That's when you know you've reached the end. All right. Now, with that out of the way, let's dig inside this box and see what we have. Okay. One thing about 8Lotus. Let's see. Yes. Oh, the popcorn pieces. Let's see. Let's get everything out. I try to keep the popcorn pieces inside, and I call them popcorn pieces, but there's always one that makes its way out. So let's see. And I knew that was, I like to get the what's inside card. Oh yeah, there's a thank you cards. And I think that's it. So let's put this to the side. Let's kind of bring it down a little bit. All right, let's go through this, y'all. So I love the what's inside card, but I know that there are two boxes. You have the deluxe box that has everything, and then I forgot what the box was under that. I don't know if it's classic. I don't know. Don't make me quote. But if you go to the website 8Lotus, you'll be able to find out the different subscription boxes. I have the deluxe, so everything is in there. We've got our July mini card here. We have our thank you card. Thank you for supporting our studio. And yes, progress, not perfection. That is a good affirmation to have. And this is the what's inside. You see all the things that's inside. And this is for July 2025. So let's put that there. Happy birthday. This is a birthday greeting card. And look, I've got two sisters, both who have a birthday in July. One card. And like it's blank inside, so I can put a message there. This is going to be perfect. So one of them will get this card. I'll put a birthday sticker on it because, you know, why not? So let's stick that there because her birthday actually is next week. Yes. Can you believe, speaking, so can you believe like 1 week, no, less than a week from now, we will be, no, it's 1 week, right? Tuesday, this is Wednesday. Yeah. July is here next week. Let's just say it that way, okay? It's just unbelievable how fast this year has gone by. All right. Now, I don't really use these little cards here, but I think what I'm going to do, like these are really cute. I'm going to put these in my journal. I think they will be cute there. Can't use them in my planner, but I can use them in my journal. I'll make use for it because this right here screams vacation. Family and friends, I already know how much I love going on cruise vacations, and look at the water. Yeah. Speaking of water, drink more water. And these right here, these are part of the intentions. So let me just tell you right now, switch up my routines, review my progress. I love these because each month we get 3 intentions, and it's really good. You can put it towards or add it towards your monthly goals, self-care goals, that is. So let me just go ahead and pull this out. And so you see here, I'm going to show you in just a moment. So you see here, these are the July intentions. So all 3 are here. And then there's a tip that you can use to help achieve those goals. So let's see. And I always add them to my planner when I move it around. Sometime I'll have it. So this is what I did here. And this is for June. And I'll just, well, I won't taking that out, but so those are June intentions, and I'll replace this with July. I won't do that now, but I will when I start setting up July. And then we have another card. I like to put this, put a clip, and I'll attach it to the dashboard that I have going into my weekly session. So any important, must not miss dates, I'll put them here because you see there's not a lot of lines there, but I'll put them on this card so that hey, Tanisha, don't forget this. Of course, all the dates are on my monthly piece, but all right. So these are our dashboards. We have sand and foam, palm shadows, slow down, and desert marble. So let's look at them. I'll tell you, I love Infinite Lotus dashboards because they're double-sided, and I love double-sided dashboards. There's the vellum. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. I need to be there. Oh, that is so pretty. And see how it's double-sided. I love it. Then we have our July. And what I love about Infinite Lotus monthly dashboard is that there's no year on it, so you can use it again next year. Look at that. Again, you get this with the Deluxe box. I cannot recall the name of the other box, that choice that you have, but let's see. I was thinking I'm missing something, y'all. Is it in here? Let's see. Because usually we get stickers. Oh, yeah. So I'll double check the box again. All right, let me just go through these inserts first because we usually get me trying to avoid the popcorns from falling out. So we have, let's just take it out. I see something that I like, and if you're returning, you already know how much I love sticky notes and note sheets. So we have the quad grid notes, water tracker. And then we have a plain, a weekly plan and a yearly overview category. So let's look and see. So quad, okay. That's nice. Definitely can use notes. And by the way, and there are 30 pages of each of these. So probably 15 front and back. They give you 30. So water tracker. So these are, I guess, the days. And then the top, what is the 8? It's 1 through 8. I don't know. How does that work? Okay. I'll have to play around with it. Look, if you've seen a water tracker like this before, I haven't. Put down in the comment box how this should be used. I don't play with it off camera. So water tracker. And look, y'all, the pages, she has really nice thick pages. I'm not sure the weight of that, but it's nice. So this is the weekly plan. You have this week, priorities to do, you have notes, and then you have the days of the week. So this is good, like maybe like for brain dumping. Like if you want to plan your week, like, you know, like I like to start planning my week, especially if there are things that did not get finished on the week that I'm currently on, and I moved it over one day already, then I'm not going to continue to move it over this week. I need to move it over next week, and it'll be a top priority because it was already moved. So this will definitely be used because I like to brain dump. So we have birthdays. There's some birthdays. Okay, I thought we had the water tracker, weekly plan, and then yearly overview. Maybe this is part of the yearly overview. So you got your birthdays, anniversaries. I think that's what it is, y'all. Holidays and traditions. This is really good to have. I like this. Personal finance. So like your personal goals, health and wellness. Home maintenance. Vehicle maintenance. Work and business. And then we got birthdays again, anniversaries, holiday. Okay, it's repeating. Okay, so that's good. Now let me go back into the box because I do not see the maroon liner, the mini page flags, and the dot stickers. So let me go back into the box. Oh, yep. Sorry about that, y'all. The rattling. Okay. I want to make sure, because I'm thinking like, wait a minute, I'm missing something. Ooh, and it's blue, like the ocean of the sea. Okay, let's see. I'm going to find something. So this is like a dot. Gonna definitely put this in my, what do I do with my scissors? Like this. Let's use it on this here. True dot sticker. I like that. This is different. I don't have my little pencil pouch. I think I left it in my bag. But I've got an orange, I've got a green, now I've got a blue. Perfect. And then we have the dot stickers. This is the color aqua. Of course, I can just take these on out because I'll use them. And there it is. Nice. And then we have some page flags. I'm going to take these out, of course, because they will get used as well. Ooh, look how little they are. Those are nice. I like them. All right, friends. Well, that's it. This is what social media did for me. I got enticed or drawn in to subscribe to the Infinite Lotus SubBox, which again, its debut was September 2024, and I've been subscribed ever since then. And again, it has come a long way, y'all, a long way, and I'm here for it. And get this birthday card because this card is going to be used, and I'm not worried about them looking at this before the birthday. So one of them will have this card for their birthday. Save myself a trip to the store, right? All right, friends. Again, thank you. Make sure you check out the link, the description box for the link to the next channel. They will have their interpretation of social media and what it means to them. So make sure you check it out. Give a like, comment. What do you think about the theme? What do you think about the goodies that I shared with you today? And do the same for the next person in their video and continue on with the loop. If you're not subscribed, this is a personal invitation for you to please subscribe. I promise you will enjoy it. And until next time, friends, make sure you take care of yourselves and each other's. And by all means, have a great day on purpose. Bye.